Sa panahon ngayon, ang dami ng fake. When we open our television and browse our social media accounts, you will see a lot of fake news. Kaya ngayon, maraming tao na ang nasasanay na mamuhay sa kasinungalingan. Kung kaya kapag ikaw ay nagsabi ng katotohanan, ikaw ay kalaban, sinungaling, at ikaw pa ang pararatangan ng masasamang bagay. They look at the truth as the new lie. Jesus described Nathanael in our gospel for today as a truth teller. Ang ganda ng identification ni Jesus kay Nathanael when he saw him coming. Here is a true Israelite. There is no duplicity in him. Makatotohanan si Nathanael, how about us? So let us ask ourselves, am I a truth teller? Papayag ba ako na lamunin ng kasinungalingan ang mundo? We need to stand for the truth. We need to conquer the world again with the truth of the gospel, and that will satisfy our longed for justice, peace, and love. G ka ba?